الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على نبيه محمد سيد المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon his prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, ادعوا إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي أحسن إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين. Invite to the way of your Lord with wisdom and good counsel, and argue with them in the best of manner. Surely your Lord knows best, the one who deviates from his best, and he knows the best ones who are on the right path. Dear brothers, in Islam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created us, and he gave us everything we need to live in this world. He created the sun and the moon for us. He created the sky and the earth for our use. He brought about the whole universe for us. But do we ever think why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created us? For what purpose? He created the mankind. So my dear brothers, we should know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created us to live according to his command. Therefore, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent down prophet and messenger from the beginning. So all the prophet and messenger guided mankind to the path of Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent down 124,000 prophets to mankind at various times and places. The first messenger of Allah was Sayyidina Adam, peace be upon him, while the last messenger was Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Our prophet, Allah bless him and give him peace, was given the perfect religion of Islam, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala finalized the prophet upon him. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala regarded Islam as global, eternal and perfect religion for all mankind. Thus the responsibility of da'wah fell upon the shoulders of Muslims, as the Quran said, كنتم خير أمة أخرجت للناس تأمرون بالمعروف وتنهون عن المنكر وتؤمنون بالله. You are the best people ever raised for mankind. You beat the fair and forbid the unfair, and you believe in Allah. On the other hand, our beloved prophet, Allah bless him and give him peace, demanded all Muslims in his domestic speech of farewell Hajj before more than 100,000 Sahaba. Beware, those who are present should convey my message to those who are absent. In the light of these verses and tradition, it is our duty to preach Islam and introduce it to those who are aware of this true religion. We should know that the whole world is searching for truth. The people of the entire world is tired for the whole civilization and modern materialism. They are wandering about in the quest of nature, peace and rational spirituality. Brothers, so we must fulfill our religious duty. We should present Islam before others and remove the widespread misconception. Everyone who has studied the life of Sahaba knows well that wherever they move, they went with Islamic spirit. People got impressed by them and converted to Islam in groups. We should make ourselves true and sincere Muslims. We should present such a manner that make the truth of Islam mirror from our deeds and practices. But it is pity that there are a great number of Muslims who do not represent Islam by their moral and actions. Rather, they harm Islam by their behavior. We have to approach such a people as well to remind them of their duty toward humanity and love. Here I will conclude my talk and the verses of Quran. ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين. Who can be better in the words than the one who called towards Allah and act righteously and one of those who submit themselves to Allah. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين.
اسلام کے پیغام کو دوسروں تک پہنچا کر ثواب دارین حاصل کریں.